Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you how to turn off and adjust the settings on the road sign assist, which you can see just there by that symbol. Now the roadside assist is there to actually read the road signs and it will display the speed limit of that area based upon the last road sign you passed. Now I noticed a lot of people do actually find this annoying, whereas I actually think it's quite a good feature, but nevertheless I'll show you how to turn it off and also adjust it. So we're going to be using this keypad here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and we're going to use the right arrow till we get to the cog like that, and that is our settings menu. And then we're going to use the down arrow to go to the second page of that menu, which there you've got RSA. So if we tap OK on that, you'll actually notice that turns it off and removes the symbol. But now if we actually want it on, but we want to adjust the settings, we hold in the OK button and that brings us out to another menu here. So now you've got the notification method, so hit OK on that, and then we've only got one type there which is above the speed limit, so we tap that again. Now you can have that as no notification, so it will just basically display the speed limit, it won't turn red. We've got only visual, which is what I've got here, so that's where it'll actually just turn red. And then we've got visual and audio, where it will do an audible tone as well as turning red. So I'm going to leave it as only visual, and then I'm going to go back to this menu here, and then we've got notification level as well, so we can go down to that and hit OK. Now this is how many kilometers an hour past the speed limit you are before it notifies you. So I've got it set to 1, but you could have it on 3 or 5 as well. So as soon as you hit OK, then go back, that has now remembered your settings. So like I say, I've left mine on because I think it's a good feature. And there you go. That's how to turn off and adjust the road sign assistant on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you feel that video was helpful, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.